Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can play Roblox on iPhone. So for that you have to go to your Play Store, App Store, and then you have to search Roblox and you have to download it. So I'm going to download it first. Okay, so I'm going to okay, so it's done. And I'm going to skip this download and installing process to make it easier and short. So yeah, okay, so now we have the Roblox app on our phone. So before you play Roblox you have to create your account. So by signing up you have to type your birthday, username and password to create your account, and then you can play. So for that I am going to set my birthday and username. So I'm going to set a random username, and then I'm going to set my password and gender. So yeah, and then you have to verify this. Okay, so verify. I have to find zebra one. Okay, the second one. Okay, and the third one and the fourth one. Okay, so here we go. Here is your account, so you can play any game that you want to play. So yeah, this is how you can play Roblox. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.